jamming in my room. Yeet. In the mirror? Huh? In the mirror? We're gonna have to drop. So this is the current mess that I have. This is just so okay. This is the clothes that I'm going to be donating. I'm cleaning out my whole closet. I am through with it because I only wear every item once and that's not okay. So this is all going goodbye. So it took me a whole hour and something to do, which I am proud of myself because your girl. But look at this. There had to go something wrong. So what I did was I did this, put this around in the back. The back of that had to go to the front. So now I'm just going to paint this with. So I ended up using white acrylic paint that I already had to paint that. And in person, it literally looks like, well, even in camera, Jesus Christ. It's different. It's not white. But I mean, it does the job for now. Never again. So this is a spray paint that I bought in Home Depot. I'm going to be using this on that thing just to, you know, make it look cute or whatever. My Amazon packet came in today, which is the curtains. They have finally arrived. I'm super happy. I should have done a before and after, but I already went through these two. You see how, like, well, can't even tell anymore, but it was kind of crusty. I did get some on the knobs. So now we came to this cute place to buy more flowers for my room because, I mean, plants, what the heck am I talking about? Flowers! Best friend, stop acting childish. Yay, so I came home to my curtains being up. Shout out to my dad. I'm starting to look like, okay, ignore this. You know what? I'll just show you guys afterwards, okay? Ahorita it does not even look like cute at all. Bienvenidos a mi cuarto. So as soon as you walk in the door, on my right side I have a dream catcher that I bought at 5 and Below. Close the door. I have this cute virgencita that I printed out. Then on the side I have my rack. I bought this rack at Ross, I'm pretty sure. I have my work tie, my robe, my jacket, my windbreaker, and then let's see, up here in my air vent. I stuck those plants up there in the air vent because my mom was like, if you put your bed in the front, the air conditioning is gonna get you, you're gonna get sick. So I was like, maybe that'll stop it, and it actually did. Then right here on the side of the wall I have this cute little frame that I bought at 5 and Below. Also, be bold, brave, and brilliant. Like, that's just like so me. And so okay, back to my bed. I connected two pallets. These pallets, my dad got them for me from work. I'm pretty sure they sell them at Home Depot. I'm not sure, but I do know you can get them anywhere. I have my work shoes on top because, you know, they're on the go. And then this is my bed. That throw-on blanket, I bought it at Walmart. Everything else was from Target. My sheets and all. The pillowcases, some of them I did get them at Walmart though. And that nap pillow, I got it at 5 and Below. Up here we have the map that I drew back in, like, yeah, 2018. And those are the places that I've been to. Still have more to go. But then right next to here I have 3 shelves. These shelves were part of a shelf that I broke down from IKEA. Shelves, my dad helped me put these up. These little things, I got them at Home Depot. Each one was like $7, and the first shelf is basically like my little desk. I do all my research on here. If you, I have my pens on the side, D for Dominga. And then right here I have this cute little succulent that I bought. I don't remember where. I really don't remember. And then let's see. So right here I have my calendar and all my notes. And if you know, you know. The second shelf, more books. Look at this. Look at how cute, guys. It's the shape of the Virgen. And then right here I have my small little trophy that I won back in middle school. So this is my mom and I. This little cute little thingy, I bought it at IKEA also. It was like $1, I'm pretty sure. Look how cute. Look, la burra on a burro. Anyways, the top shelf, I have like this cute little travel thingy going on. I am trying to make like this whole wall, that case, but I have a cute globe right here. I have this cute little mug that's also, you know, related. Right here I have this cute notebook. That notebook carries like all my memories of like traveling and shit. Right here I have a tower that I spray painted, and I did not do a good job, but it was something. Here I have this cute lamp that I bought at Walmart. It was like $10, I think. I wrapped this succulent around it. This is my voodoo doll. Guys, like, my friends be scared of my voodoo doll, but like, these are collectibles and they're like super cute in my opinion. Right here I have these blinds that I had to reinstall. I have these cute little succulents also. I stuck in another succulent in the succulent. Down here I have my undergarments and then some tissues. Back here I have all the things that, you know, to connect all my stuff. I always have a bat even though I've never played baseball. All I know is I'm ready to swing because I have had hella stalkers. But maybe I'll do a story time one day. And then I have this real plant, super cute. However, like the sun, I have like a little issue with that, but I've been trying to keep it alive. Let's see. Right here I have my cute little setup. I have all my little thingies. This light, I got it at 5 and Below, and it does the job, honestly. I used to have a mirror, but I just feel like it just doesn't match my room. So I have to buy a new mirror. Let's see what else. And back here in my corner, I have my little working station. Don't make fun of it. Like, I'm serious. I do all my little side hustles in this corner. Okay, not in this corner, but you know, I pull everything out. But that's just how it's organized right now. It was like super empty, and look, these leaves make it so much better. Like, I don't care. And then those boards are from the shelf. From that one, from the previous thing, like that I showed you guys, that was from that. I'm still trying to see how I'm going to be able to reuse them, or if not, I'm gonna end up throwing it away. I'm like the biggest head ass. Constant reminder to work like a boss. Work till you make it, sis. But yeah, one day from Amazon, and I bought 2. It just makes the difference. Like, it completes the look of the room. Like, curtains do the job. Floor, I have this white rug that I bought at Ross. It was $35. I do think that I need a bigger one, but that'll be later on. So we come down here. I have this cute little basket. It carries my lacrosse sticks, my beach umbrella, my yoga mat, my hair. Right next to it, I have this cute shelf, also from IKEA. Down here, I also have this cute little bucket that I bought at TJ Maxx. I have my medicine there and oatmeal and little bottles of liquor. Okay, guys. But anyways, that cute little souvenir is from Araceli's graduation party. Down here, I have more succulents. I have these cute little boxes with memories. I have my J for sports. I miss them. Anyways, up here, I have more plants. Another row of plants. I have these plants from IKEA, from Burlington, from TJ Maxx, from all these places. Another D for Dominga. Up here I have more, and then my cute little earrings, my favorite earrings from Fashion Nova. Up here I have a real plant, and right there I have this cute little coin jar that says life is short, buy more plants, period. On the side here, I bought this cute little thing. Look, it's just literally, and I just stuck it on there, and it just, look, it just finishes it up. Like, what? Mirrors from IKEA. It was $50. It's up to you, you know, you don't have to buy all these things. Down here, I have this cute little plant thing that I don't feel like it should be hung, just because, like, I feel like that side was just empty, and I just had to throw it on there. That thing, dude, handmade, and it is so cute. Dude, that is, I don't know where to put it at, but Let me find out, dude. Look, out to introduce you guys to my tripod. I'm over here like moving it around and I didn't even tell you guys. And my quacks. I'm a mess, bro. But yeah,